noisier than usual lately.
La, 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 la. Isn't this a great song?
Turn it down, please.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over the music.
That's the problem, isn't it? You're being very noisy, Pancake.
Me? Noisy? Nah. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Turn it off or lose it.
Wow. Well, I thought everyone liked music. Going on? Why are the burping boulders here? Hey! What's with all the boulders?
Yeah, it has gotten colder.
No! Look, the boulders! The boulders! No! I didn't bump you in the shoulder! Boulders, boulders, boulders! Oh, the burping boulders!
We woke up this morning and there they were. Don't know why. We can't even hear ourselves think with all this racket. And it's like bumper cars trying to dodge them all the time.
Let's make them go back home! On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lift with your knees. You know what always makes me move? Tickling! Yeah! Let's try it on the boulders! Nothing works! We can't go on like this, or we'll have to move! Move? Maybe that's what we should figure out! Why did the boulders move here in the first place? It's good to be able to hear myself think.
Yeah.
It sure
Say
is.
that again.
It should be right up ahead. Wow, I forgot how far away it was.
Far or near, we never give up. Whoa! What in the Zooniverse was that?
It's okay. I don't see anything except this little bird out here. It's that bird that's making that noise. What kind of bird does that?
Iris?
Yes, Ian.
What kind of bird is that?
Searching Wikipedia. It's a belching behemoth bird, the loudest animal in the Zooniverse.
Phew! You could say that again. Talk about noisy.
No wonder the burping boulders left. There's only one thing to do if we want the noisy burping boulders to leave the central plaza and give us some peace and quiet. Get the even noisier belching behemoth bird to leave here. But how?
I know what to do. If you want to get rid of a bird, you have to shoo, shoo. Go away, shoo. I think it shooed me away instead.
I know what to do. No bird can resist birdseed. The belching behemoth bird will follow the trail and ta-da! Sorry, no more birdseed.
I'm not so sure this will work anymore.
It's a great idea you came up with. Well?
I mean, it should work in theory. The bird will think I'm another bird, and then we can communicate. But what language should I use?
How about belch?
Hey, that's not very...
We're never going to get rid of that bird. Which means we're never going to get rid of the burping boulders.
We'll have to wear earmuffs all the time because of the noise.
What are you doing, Pancake?
The belches. That beat. I know that song. La, 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 la. La, La 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 la. 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 La 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 la. La 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 la.
You did it, Pancake!
Now that the behemoth belching bird is belching softly, I bet the burping boulders can move back home and we can have some quiet time.
I never knew how doing something loud could be so distracting to other people. And even to me.
Now, how did that song go, Pancake?